ZENITH Chronomaster Open. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this unboxing video, we will show you the smallest details of this product with a crystal clear picture and 4K resolution. Thank you for your interest. In our channel you will find unboxing videos and other interesting products. Subscribe now. ZENITH Chronomaster Open. This 39.5mm masterpiece, meticulously crafted from gleaming steel, captivates not only with its intricate mechanics but also with its stunning exterior, crafting a symphony of beauty and precision on your wrist. The centerpiece of the Chronomaster Open's allure lies in its captivatingly transparent dial. Imagine a window into the soul of the watch, unveiling the legendary El Primero 3604 movement in all its intricate glory. Witness the mesmerizing interplay of polished gears and blued screws, each meticulously finished to exude an almost jewel-like quality. The transparent counter for the running seconds adds a touch of intrigue, its subtle movement highlighting the watch's dynamic nature. While transparency plays a starring role, the Chronomaster Open doesn't compromise on classic elegance. The matte black dial, reminiscent of a moonlit sky, provides a perfect canvas for the tricolour subdials to shine. Every element of the Chronomaster Open speaks of meticulous attention to detail and enduring quality. The Hesalite crystal, renowned for its vintage charm and scratch-resistant properties, safeguards the intricate mechanics within. Its 10 ATM water resistance rating empowers you to confidently wear this masterpiece during life's everyday adventures, without compromising its pristine beauty. Beneath its captivating exterior lies the true marvel of the Chronomaster Open, the El Primero 3604 movement. This technological masterpiece operates at an impressive 36,000 vibrations per hour, 5 Hz, delivering unparalleled precision you can trust. Witness the smooth sweep of the central chronograph hand as it completes one revolution every 10 seconds, measuring elapsed time to an astounding 1-10th of a second. Beyond its captivating facade, the Chronomaster Open boasts practical features that elevate its everyday wearability. The black cordura-effect rubber strap offers a comfortable and secure fit on your wrist, its texture adding a touch of sporty flair. The stainless steel triple folding clasp, gleaming with a mirror-like finish, ensures both security and a flourish of elegance. Owning a ZENITH Chronomaster Open is more than just possessing a timepiece. It's an expression of refined taste and an appreciation for the artistry of watchmaking. This watch is a conversation starter, a symbol of achievement, and a cherished heirloom to be admired for generations. It's not just a way to tell time, but a way to define your style with a touch of exquisite flair. The ZENITH Chronomaster Open transcends mere luxury. It is a piece of art destined to adorn your wrist. From its mesmerizingly transparent dial to its meticulously crafted movement, it embodies the pinnacle of watchmaking expertise. This exquisite timepiece is not just a functional marvel, but a reflection of your discerning taste and appreciation for the finer things in life. Let it be the statement piece that defines your elegance and sets you apart. Thank you for watching. Please write in the comments what you like about this model and what you don't. Your opinion is important to us.